everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Flashout.io account. If you don't want to use the Flashout account anymore and you'd like to get rid of it, then the process is easy. Simply go and open up your Flashout application using a mobile device and also make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside your Flashout account, tap on the account button at the bottom right hand corner, and from this page, tap on Delete Account button right under Privacy. Now, if you delete your account, then you won't be able to withdraw rewards again with any number you've used before on Flashout. Your task cannot be repeated. If you sign up again, you cannot repeat your task. All of your notifications will be disabled and you will not be able to create a new account with the same device in the next 25 days. In order to continue deleting your account, you'll need to type in your password associated with your Flashout.io account. Once you enter your password in the Confirm Password text box, tap on Delete Account button at the bottom left. Now, soon after you do that, you'll be able to delete your Flashout.io account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.